Hey, pull out your glue gun and some foil and let's get to work. Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I am working with hot glue, foil, and watercolor paper. We're going to make this quick pair of earrings. Gonna cut my watercolor paper in some skinny strips and pull out my trusty gold paint and paint my watercolor paper. Now I'm going to get my glue gun and just drizzle some glue all over this paper. It doesn't matter what kind of, design you get. This is the best glue gun I've ever used. So I'm just dropping some glue on there and whatever happens, happens. Next, we've got the gold foil flakes, and just while the glue is still hot, just put the flakes anywhere on the paper and it's going to stick to it as long as the glue is still warm. So that's all we're doing is just kind of globbing it on there, rubbing it off, and see what we get. Now we're going to use some tacky glue to cover the back and then put some foil on the back too. I'm in North Carolina with my grands, and I have my own room and supplies here. I just don't have everything here. So when I'm creating here, I'm creating in the spirit of using what you have. We're going to use nail polish to seal it. I'm using my leather punch to punch some holes in here so that we can put our earring findings on. And we are done. Oh, look at these. You wouldn't know that this was hot glue and watercolor paper. If you're new here, I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also are the creators of the Hobby to Hustle e-course on the school platform. We have a free tier and a paid tier. We invite you to join us. We're gonna get busy pretty soon. You know the drill. Leave me a hype, a comment, a thumbs up, a comment. Subscribe if you're new here. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.